Are your precious plants dying from this blistering heat? Fear no more. We have a solution. Grab some leftover pickle juice, a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce, and a squeeze of dish soap. Then mix them into a gallon of lukewarm water. The real magic here is the soy sauce. The concentrated sodium molecules act as a rapid hydration trigger for the roots. This specific ingredient essentially tricks the plants into drinking everything at once, forcing them to gorge on the water and completely override their heat dormancy instead of letting them slowly dehydrate in the sun like a normal plant would. Just drench the soil around the base of your plants in the middle of a hot afternoon. The dish soap breaks down the water surface tension so it drops deep into the soil instantly, while the pickle juice balances the acidity. Your lawn and established trees won't care at all. But this is a lifesaver for your delicate veggies and flowers. Saturate the roots during peak heat and your plants will stand upright, completely crisp and green by sunset.